Assalamualaikum friends. Assalamualaikum viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you are happy and well. So in today's video I will share your friends some amazing and stylish older denim jeans bags ideas. So viewers, so let's start today video friends. Viewers, all denim bags are a great way to reuse our jeans or worn out denim. They are strong, travel, and walk jetters. You can transform all denim into a stylish bag for daily use. Backpack, pouches, shoulder bags, and into stylish bag for daily use. Adding patches, embroidery, or crochet pieces can make your denim bag unique. And every bag becomes special, creative, and personal. Weavers and denim bags are perfect for casual style. They match skirts and jeans, dresses, or simple tops. They are easy to carry and lasting a long time. Weavers and they are easy to carry and last long. You can also layer fabric or combine denim with other materials. Or scarf, lace, fabric scarf give the bag trendy handmade look, making or decorating denim bag into also fun. Weavers and Allah Hafiz. Thanks for watching my channel, and viewers, thanks for watching my videos.